Drone tech has come a long way in a short space of time. 10 years ago, drones were giant bricks that you'd haul around in suitcases, whereas nowadays, military inspection drones are smaller than 2 inches wide. But it's not about the size, it's about how you use them. Drones have transformed filmmaking, and they can make incredible 3D light shows. But beyond taking an epic selfie of you on a hike, what are drones actually useful for? What about using drones to save our time, money, and lives? That's where ZenaDrone comes in. They're pushing drone tech into farming, construction, security, and beyond. The ZenaDrone IQ Nano handles stealth surveillance. It also makes warehouse inventory automatic with smart obstacle avoidance and instant battery swaps. On construction sites, the ZenaDrone IQ Square creates 3D maps and live progress reports. And in farming, the ZenaDrone 1000 scans and treats crops with laser precision. These drones aren't just saving time and money, they're saving lives, taking police and soldiers out of danger, and pretty soon replacing helicopters to help with rescues, deliveries, even firefighting. So what do you think about the way that ZenaDrone is changing the drone industry? How would you like to see drones used in the future? Drop us a comment below. You can also like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.